Dan Masters live, old school wrestling style locker room pre-match. Gentlemen, I dare say, in at this time, one that's very familiar, the Texas Outlaw Joel Deaton, Cowboy Ron Bass. Don't want to rush you. Limited time here on television, Dan Masters live. Mr. Outlaw Joel Deaton, you're back with us.
That's right, Dan. You know, I am back with you. Me and this man over here, Ron Bass, we done traveled the world, we done traveled the country. And let me tell you something, we're here tonight in Thomaston, Georgia. I ain't going to holler and yell and rant and rave people. I'm just going to tell you it's a pleasure to be able to be here and be able to get in that ring one more time with a man like this in my corner. We're going to take Tommy Rich and Chick Donovan. We're going to take them to school. This is old school wrestling, and we, believe me, we old school. And Ron here, you know, I want to thank you for coming up, being my partner tonight. And it's a pleasure to be here, Dan, and I want to thank you for being here too. And like I say, I usually rant and rave, cuss, and raise Cain, but I ain't doing it tonight. We're just going to go out there and get it done, old school style.
The talking gets done in the ring. Cowboy Ron Bass, not just in his corner, but his partner tonight. How long's it been?
It ain't been long enough. I've been waiting. I've been counting the days. I've been counting the hours. I owe a few people around here, and Tommy Rich, you right up there at the top, buddy. We've been around and around and around. But we're going to go out there tonight. It ain't going to be pretty. It ain't going to be kissing babies. It ain't going to be shaking hands. It's going to be out there, and it's going to be a fight. That's the only thing me and Mr. Deaton know how to do, is go out there and kick butt and take names, and that's what we're going to do tonight. Right here in Thomaston, Georgia, we get an opportunity to even some scores, and you better believe that when we get out there, it's going to happen.
Rough and tough, a battle of a lifetime. Chick Donovan, Tommy Rich, get ready. The Outlaws are making their way to the ring.
Here we come.